Most people think AI is thinking. It's not. I'm Jamil Ashkar, and in this video I'll explain what AI actually is, how it works, and why that matters in plain English. AI is everywhere right now. It writes emails, it answers questions, it creates images, it even sounds like it understands you. And because of that, a lot of people think AI is thinking. It's not. In this video, I'm going to explain what AI actually is, how it really works, and why understanding this matters, especially if you don't have a technical background. There's no hype here, no jargon, and no scare tactics. Just a simple explanation that actually makes sense. Most people are confused about AI for a very simple reason. It's usually explained the wrong way. You hear phrases like machine learning, neural networks, or large language models, and it immediately feels complicated and overwhelming. So instead of understanding AI, people react emotionally. Some people get overly excited and think AI can do everything. Other people get nervous and think AI is about to replace them. Both reactions come from the same place, not really knowing what AI is doing. Once you understand what's actually happening behind the scenes, a lot of that fear and confusion goes away. So let's start with the simplest definition possible. At its core, AI is software that learns patterns from data and uses those patterns to make predictions. That's it. AI does not think. AI does not understand. AI does not have awareness. It looks at information, recognizes patterns, and predicts what should come next. If you remember only one thing from this video, remember this: AI predicts. It does not think. The easiest way to understand this is with a familiar example: autocomplete on your phone. When you start typing a sentence, your phone suggests the next word. It's not thinking about what you mean. It's not understanding your emotions. It's simply predicting the most likely next word based on patterns from millions of other messages. AI works the exact same way, just on a much larger scale. Instead of predicting one word, it predicts the next best sentence, image, or response. Now let's talk about how AI gets good at this. Before AI can make predictions, it has to be trained. Training means showing the software massive amounts of data. That data could be text, images, numbers, or examples of behavior. During training, the AI looks for patterns. When it makes a bad prediction, it adjusts. When it makes a good prediction, it reinforces that pattern. This happens millions or even billions of times. Eventually, the AI becomes very good at predicting what usually comes next. Once training is finished, the AI is locked in and ready to be used. This part is important. When you use AI, it is not learning from you in real time. It's using patterns it already learned during training. So what actually happens when you type something into an AI tool? It doesn't search the internet the way Google does. Instead, it breaks your input into pieces and starts predicting a response one piece at a time. Each word is chosen based on probability. What word is most likely to come next? Then the next word, then the next. That's why AI responses can sound smooth, confident, and well written. But here's the key thing to understand. Confidence does not mean understanding. AI can sound very sure and still be wrong. Now let's talk about what AI is actually good at. AI is excellent at speed. It can process large amounts of information much faster than a human. AI is also very good at repetition. It doesn't get tired, it doesn't get bored, it doesn't lose focus, and AI is great at finding patterns in data. That's why it's useful for things like summarizing documents, organizing information, drafting emails, or spotting trends. These are tasks that follow predictable rules, and AI thrives in predictable environments. But there are also things AI is very bad at. AI does not understand truth. It does not understand right or wrong, and it does not understand consequences. If AI gives you an answer that sounds reasonable, that does not mean it's correct. It's not checking facts the way a human would. It's predicting what a correct-sounding answer usually looks like. This is why AI can confidently give you information that is outdated, incomplete, or completely made up. Not because it's lying, but because it doesn't know the difference. This brings us to an important comparison. Humans and AI are good at very different things. AI is fast, consistent, and scalable. Humans understand meaning, context, ethics, and nuance. AI can help with thinking tasks, but it cannot replace judgment. The real power comes when humans use AI as a tool, not as a replacement. Think of AI like a calculator. A calculator can do math faster than you ever could, but you still need to know what math to do. So why does all of this matter? Because the people who benefit most from AI understand its limits. They don't expect it to think for them. They use it to save time. They use it to reduce busy work. And they use it to focus more on decisions instead of tasks. The people who struggle with AI usually try to hand over responsibility. The people who win with AI stay in control. Here's the simple truth. AI is not intelligent in the human sense. It does not understand you. It does not know what it's saying, and it does not know if it's right or wrong, but it is a powerful prediction tool. And once you understand that, AI becomes much easier to use correctly. In the next video, I'll show you real-world examples of how regular people are using AI to save hours every week without any technical background. This is AI explained simply, and I'll see you in the next one. So make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell.